Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the battery of your Dyson SV10. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that your vacuum continues to perform at its best. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this task. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Pliers. 4. Small container for screws. 5. A compatible replacement battery for Dyson SV10. Step 1. Preparation. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and completely powered off. Place it on a flat, stable surface to work comfortably. To avoid losing screws during the process, use a small container to keep them organized. Step 2. Disassembling the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the battery compartment located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 3 screws here. Be gentle while removing them to avoid stripping any of the screw heads. If you find it challenging to unscrew them, a flathead screwdriver can help pry them loose. Step 3. Removing the old battery. Once you have removed the screws, gently pull the battery compartment cover away from the vacuum. You will now see the old battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by lifting it from its connectors. If it feels stuck, ensure that all screws are removed and try wiggling it free. Step 4. Installing the new battery. Take your new compatible battery and connect it to the connectors within the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly in place. Once connected, replace the battery compartment cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about doing this yourself, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 5. Cleaning the internal components. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to clean the inside of your vacuum. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. If you prefer, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum anywhere. Step 6. Final assembly. Once everything is clean, double-check that all screws are tightened and that the battery is securely in place. Now, you can plug in your Dyson SV10 and let it charge for a few hours before testing. Step 7. Testing the vacuum. After charging, turn on your vacuum to ensure that it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect without any hidden surprises. No calls, no travel required, just sit back and relax while we handle everything for you. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the battery in your Dyson SV10. Enjoy your newly powered vacuum and the efficiency it brings to your cleaning routine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.